Hi, I'm Becky. I'm the author of Create Your Own Calm, a book packed full of activities to help you take control of your own anxieties and worries and fears and feel calmer. One of the activities in the book we're going to have a go at today, and that's making lavender Play-Doh. All you need to make lavender Play-Doh is 60 ml of warm water, some table salt, some lavender oil, but that's not essential, some lavender flower heads, 8 tablespoons full of plain flour, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, plus a little food colouring. Lavender is a wonderful scent. It's been proven to help people feel less anxious and more rested. So it's a great thing to work with if you're feeling a bit antsy, and can really help you feel more chill. The first thing you do is put 8 tablespoons of plain flour into a large mixing bowl. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt to that mixture. For the next step, you're going to take your measuring jug, which has got 60 ml of warm water in, and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And to that, you're going to add a few squirts of food colouring. And give it a really good mix. You've got a lovely blue lilac colour. I've used food gel here, but a liquid food colouring would be absolutely fine. And if you want to add some red to that too, you get a nice purpley colour. Step 3, you're going to add your liquid to your dry ingredients. And then you're going to give it a really good stir around until it forms a dough. If your dough's a little wet, add in a bit more flour. If it's a little dry, add in a bit more liquid. And if the colour isn't right, add in a bit more food colouring. Now, food colouring is really messy. See, from earlier I was using some red, and it can really stain your hands. So do not wear your best clothes if you're using food colouring, and be careful where you put your hands and wash them as soon as possible, because it really can stain. You don't have to use food colouring. A white dough with some purple flower heads in looks fantastic. So I'm going to add a little bit more flour because my dough is a little bit wet, and then I'm going to give it a good squidge around the bowl till it forms a kind of dough. Once your Play-Doh has started to form into a doughy shape, then chop a few lavender flower heads into it. Don't use a knife, scissors are perfect for this, and it releases such a lovely smell. And squidge them in. The squidging is just as relaxing as the scent. Gets all the tension out your body. And then put a bit of flour on your surface, and you're going to knead your Play-Doh just like you would bread. So you press it and fold it and press it and fold it until it's really smooth and elastic and ready to use. I like at the end to put a few more flower heads in, so it's really, really, really textured, and because it looks so pretty and smells so good. So I'm just going to chop a few more of them in. They last for about 3 months, Play-Dohs do, in an airtight container. So put them in a bit of Tupperware or something and keep it for 3 months. Whenever you feel like you want to be making something or having a good squidge and getting some tension out of your body, you get your Play-Doh out and have a go with it. There we go. Lavender Play-Doh.